I want to keep pressing you.
Hey! Who are you people? What do you want from me?
We want the numbers, Mason. That's all we've ever wanted.
Keep hearing the fucking numbers!
It's a broadcast, Mason. The broadcast. Mason, for the last time, where is the number station?
The numbers? What are they saying?
0, 0, 1, 5.
All we've ever wanted.
Mason, my friend, tell me, what is left to believe in when you are betrayed by your own? When all that you are, all that you have done, is buried beneath the lies and the deceit of corrupt men. I would die in this wretched place. The only thing that keeps me alive is the thirst for vengeance. They must be stopped, Mason. Dragovich, Steiner, Kravchenko, all must die.
Translate the codes. He's heard the broadcasts which we know contain the location. It's all in his head somewhere. He does know where it is. We have to get to the bunker. We're at DEFCON 2. You've tried everything. Not yet. I have one more card to play.
Get out of here, Weaver. Tell them I failed.
You want to die with him? Your choice.
Damn it! Why can't you remember? Reznov's dead, Mason. Did you hear me? He's dead! Weaver's right. We're out of time. The Russians fucked you up. I know you. You're not a traitor.
The numbers, Mason. What do they mean? Where are they broadcast from?
The numbers! What are they saying? Reznov! Where are you? Reznov! Steiner was there! We had to kill Steiner! I keep hearing the fucking numbers!
You again. I should have killed you in Vorkuta.
Wait a few moments. Let him rest. When he regains consciousness, double the voltage.
I remember! Yeah! Vorkuta!
The subject has been successfully implanted with the knowledge to translate the number sequences.
So, what is the problem?
His responses to our orders have been sporadic, unpredictable. He shows a remarkable resilience.
Why?
He is unusual. atypical. Few men possess such will. Our other test subjects have been far more successful.
If he will not follow the orders embedded in the numbers, then he is of no use to you. He can run. Take him back to his cell.
Not the pain! Oh my god!
We are all brothers. With my life, he and us are not so different. We are all souls without an arm. Betrayed, forgotten, abandoned. You will survive. You have. We are brothers, Mason. We are the same.
Kennedy. John. Fitzgerald. Been told you are the best we have.
We are in grave danger from the communists. Our very way of life is at risk. Dragovich.
Now we got the hell out of here. Not yet. Dragovich. No one's getting us back. Satisfied, Mason? No! Not yet. Not until I see the body. How many times Steiner was at Rebirth Island? We had to kill Steiner!
We? Victor Reznov?
What is the same thing?
The pain is difficult, isn't it?
We are brothers, Mason. We are the same.
Dragovich, Krashenko, Stein, all must die.
Dragovich brainwashed you, but Reznov had plans of his own.
Reznov. How'd you get out of Vorkuta? Never thought I'd see you alive.
He was never in Vietnam. The real defector with the Nova 6 dossier died during the attack on the MAC-V. He was never in the rat tunnels.
What the fuck's wrong with you? This way! We cannot let him slip through our ground.
He was never at Rebirth Island.
Mason! My name is Victor Reznov, and I will have my revenge! Mason, no! Step 8, Reznov! Freedom! For you, Mason! Not for me!
Victor Reznov's been dead for 5 years. He died at Vorkuta during the escape. All the years you thought he was with you, that was just in your mind.
I trusted him.
That's why it worked. It was their attempt at MK Ultra. Dragovich programmed you to kill Kennedy, but Reznov sabotaged you.